Okay, this is going to be a quick demonstration of a new tool that I've been working on. It's a Newtonsoft updater utility. So what this does is it takes a CLZ without the source code and it'll update the old Newtonsoft reference within the main assembly to the new one, replace the old DLL and a bunch of other things so that you can effectively update a CLZ without the source code at all. This is a private tool, so I only have access to it, but we'll go ahead and demonstrate that it in fact does work. So here I've got some modules with an older CLZ. This one should provide a compiler warning. Yeah, so it says it can't be used due to a dependency on Newtonsoft 3.5.0.0. So this needs to be updated. So if we were to open up the CLZ in a folder here and view the files, you can see the Newtonsoft compact and there's the main assembly. So if we drag and drop those into here, you can see it's version 3.5.0.0 and there's this public key token. And this main assembly references Newtonsoft JSON compact version 3.5.0.0. So this needs to be updated for this to work. We'll just clear all this out again. And now with this tool, all we need to do, since I programmed it, is drag and drop. And there you have it. Within around 2 seconds, it created a new CLZ. And it also backed up the old one, so it renamed the file extension to BAK. And just to show you, this will indeed compile just fine. So I hit F12. You might see some namespace errors. That's a bug in the Crestron software that needs to be fixed. Yeah. And to get rid of those, you just compile again. So we're going to do that to show that there is undoubtedly no errors, no warnings. And this module also does work at runtime too. So it's as easy as that. Let's open up the old or the new CLZ to a folder. I can kind of prove that the reference has been updated as well as the DLL. So need a dnspy, which I didn't. Should have just left it open. Let's just clear the assembly explorer. Okay, now we bring the DLLs in. So there you can see public key token and 4.0.8.0. And then this one also references 4.0.8.0. And there's the public key token, which has also been updated. So everything on this one's done, and it was all doable without needing the source code at all.